Hello viewers, welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to draw the human skull, a fundamental structure for understanding human anatomy. Whether you are a beginner or refining your skills, mastering the skull will improve your portraits and figure drawing tremendously. Let's begin with some basic shapes and lines. Let's draw a circular shape. You can see me drawing my shape, a circle. This circle represents a kind of structure for the skull. You can see how I'm drawing it, trying to get a very perfect circle. Next, I draw some lines. All these lines I'm drawing will serve as a guide for the actual drawing I intend to achieve. You can see what I'm doing here. Just hold on. By the time I finish drawing, you will understand why I am drawing these shapes and lines. The skull is about 5 eyes wide, and the eye sockets are placed halfway down the head. These measurements help to maintain anatomical accuracy. Okay, you can see me now drawing the eye socket. Watch how I move the lines, trying to draw out the eye sockets. Right now, I'll try to bring out the actual shape of the skull. Watch how I do that. Watch how I do that. You can see how I'm moving the lines. At this point, I am no longer following the circular shape. I am now following the actual shape of the skull we intend to draw. You can see what I'm doing right now. Trust me, drawing is fun. Watch how the drawing comes out perfectly, the shape of the skull. Skulls may all look the same, but this one I'm drawing has personality. I can now clean the framework, which is the circular line I draw initially. And the other lines, I can now clean them because they have already served their purpose. At this point, we'll begin to add more details to our drawing. You can see what I'm doing right here. The shapes, the shape. So watch how I add more details to my drawing. Here I need to draw the teeth. Watch how I draw the teeth. You can see what I'm doing right here. Trying to draw the teeth one after the other. When sketching the teeth, don't draw each one in perfect details. Focus on the general alignment and structure. You can see how I'm doing it. Aligning the teeth one after the other. The teeth follows a slight arc and sits within the jaw. You can see the alignment like an arc. This is the upper teeth. I'll now go over to the lower teeth. Like I said before, skulls may all look the same, but this one I'm drawing has personality. No skull is truly perfect. Just like us, we are imperfect people. You can see what I'm doing. Drawing the teeth in alignment. Trying to follow the arc. You can see it. Here I'm going to add more details. You can see how I'm giving more details to the drawing. Trying to be more artistic. And also making sure of zero mistakes as I carefully draw the details. You can see how the drawing is going. Wow, drawing is such a fun. I love how the drawing is coming out to life. You can see me adding more details to the drawing. This is a real human skull. Watch as I keep adding more details to the drawing. Try my possible best to be more artistic in my drawing. You can see what we have here. To bring the skull to life, we'll add shadows to define the form. Light usually hits the top and front, leaving the underside in shadow. So for that, I'll add some shadows by shading some areas of my drawing, especially the eye socket, the nose socket. Watch how I do my shadowing by shading this area. And that's our skull drawing. Practicing the skull helps you understand the underlying structure of the skull face, of the human's face, improving every aspect of your portrait work. You can see how I'm shading the eye sockets. Keep watching till you see the final drawing. We are coming to the end of the drawing. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more anatomy-focused drawing lessons. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all. See, we see you next time in my next drawing video. Thank you very much.